Well, good evening, people of YouTube. Little bit's changed since we last did a video. I'll take you out and show you. Main thing, I bought the missus a whirly gig. Well, good evening, people of YouTube. Little bit's changed since we last did a video. I'll take you out and show you. Main thing, I bought the missus a whirly gig so she can get her washing done, because now we're up to height, I can't get a washing line up for her, so she's happy. Got the corners up to height, lintle's going to go on there. I've got the front to run in, all the rest of the corners are up to the final finished height. So hopefully one more weekend of running in and we'll be ready to do a bit of roofing. I've put this up for just to give me an idea roughly how big my shed's going to be when I partition it off, and same in the give me an idea of the garden room when we get it the stud wall built and the doors in. But yeah, it's moving along nicely. Another weekend or so I reckon we'll have all the block work done, and then we can start to do a bit of roofing. Probably going to put a warm flat roof on, so fully insulated with a rubber membrane type roof. So give us a couple of weeks and we'll crack on with that. See you later.